Chapter 15, Non-Routine Maintenance to be completed. To access the Non-Routine Work section, navigate to the Maintenance module and select the appropriate tab. From there, you can filter maintenance tasks or view them all by clicking the Accept button. To add a new task, simply click on the Add button in the toolbar. When registering a new task, be sure to enter the name of the person reporting the maintenance and select the type of maintenance required. In this example, we will focus on corrective maintenance. Record the date and time of the maintenance request. Select the equipment involved, and proceed to the next step. In the New tab, document the details of the reported task or fault. A summary of the fault should be entered into observations. Assign a priority level and responsible parties for the task. Indicate that the maintenance is pending by selecting the No box. Document the initial status of the failure. Schedule the maintenance day based on priority, estimate the time needed for completion, and note any additional requirements. Click Next and then select Next again. Generate a work order by selecting the Yes box. Assign a responsible individual, and customize printing options as needed. Click the OK button. Upon clicking the OK button, a unique folio number will be generated for tracking purposes. Confirm the submission by clicking OK once more. Congratulations! You have successfully documented a non-routine job and its corresponding work order.